Hi, good evening. So yesterday we analyzed the market in which let's just recognize this was a buy side, higher time frame buy side. Yesterday we came to know from here a sell-off was happened. That was just a retracement. Okay, so it was like this: high, low, and market eventually dropped downwards. Okay, this was the thing which happened yesterday. Let's just say our market is now closing, it is like 24 into 7 or just one Monday to Friday, morning to night, night to morning. Okay, then what will be happening? The price just retraced back and came down. Okay, so let's analyze how we identify these kind of movements. Okay, so from here, this was the high, this was the low. Okay, I'm just marking this as my buy side only. I'm not marking over here. That will be on later only. So this is the lowest point yesterday. This was a push down and a retraced. Okay, so this I marked as my sell side, in which the sell stops will be there. I mean, the whoever bought here, the SL will be over here, somewhere like this only. Okay, so let's just do one thing. From here yesterday, after the drop from here, we have an imbalance between the candles. Okay, this is 15 minutes time frame. Okay, I'm not marking any inversion right now. I'm just marking the fair value gaps over here, and we just dropped back to 5 minutes, in which we started drawing the Fibonacci, in which you can see the market over gap up, just a few points gap up, and the market just shifted at 9:30, I think 9:25. Yeah. 0.706. Okay, 0.618, 0.706, 0.786. These level are the golden zone. Okay, in which the market can react much more than 0.5. Okay, so this was a 15 minutes FVG, and after touching 0.706, the golden zone, the market just dropped downwards. Okay, so we can do like this. Actually, after getting a drop, we have just, this will be our SL, and 1:1 will be our target. Even the 1:1 we can take more actually, because this here is the liquidity, where this was the last red candle before this drop down. So this is where the liquidity lies. We can keep a first target over here. How much points? We risked 160 points and we got 240 points. I'm not telling I took this trade. I'm just analyzing the market, because this is how the market moves. Even though I took a trade over here and I exited over somewhere like this after this drop, because I thought this was a demand zone. This was a demand zone. Okay. So this is the way which we can analyze the market and do our trade accordingly. Okay. So what happened here is that after the drop, okay, and let's just mark it again. After the drop from here, the market retraced, came down, again it went up, came down, came up and down. Okay, so just recognize this thing, and I will tell you one more thing. Okay, this was the high. Am I right? This was the high which the market made. This was the second high. We can't even buy any calls here. I mean, any call options we can't buy. Naked call options we can't buy over here, because whenever I told you people yesterday, we just want to buy like this or anything. We need a proper structure shift. Okay, if you want to buy a call side, the market still at least need to sweep this side. When the market bounce from here, it should be continuously going, and it will need to sweep up here, and then a retracement will be a good opportunity for us to go long. Okay, but eventually what happened? The market came down, in which it broke this low. Okay, I'm just removing this line. This was a breakout structure. I'm just marking it in yellow. Okay, this was a breakout structure in which the candle pushed downwards and only a little bit. That's why I tell we don't want to mark this. Okay, the price just went down here. After a change of character, and in the last candle there will be an order block. Okay, so this was the order block area. Okay, order block area, and this was a first high, this was a second high. Here if we have an order block, we have a shift in market structure. And even though I was telling the India, which is almost high like 24 or something, yeah, 24, So we need to look only for put setup, because rather than buy setup we will be looking for a better put setup. Okay, so here comes the most interesting thing. This was the Asia low. Okay, I follow ICT concepts, so Asia high and Asia low I always do. This was the Asian high. The market opens over there. Okay, this was the Asian low, and after that here all this we are called manipulation. Okay, this was the accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. So this is the manipulation area. So after that market 12:30 the London session opens. So from here we have a shift. Okay, we have a shift, and most of the people will be identifying like this. This was a shift, and we have a displacement also. We can get a call. No, never do like that. Okay, even though if you identify this high, I mean this a small point, what in Hindi chart point, this is the low, this is the high, and after we getting a displacement it should make a double top, or just like this. Or I'm not telling it need to sweep up here, at least it need to make up here, and then we have a price action. It should have gone like this. Okay, but eventually what happened, the price want to go down because the sell side was here, they need to take all the stops over here. So what happened is that after the Asian low is taken out, after the 12:30 candle, you can see there was a massive impulse. Okay, that is called an imbalance, FVG. We have a 5-minute FVG. Okay, 5 FVG bullish. Okay, 5 minutes. When we switch back to 15 minutes also, there we have an FVG also. The same area, 5-minute and 15-minute FVG is there. Okay. So, like we say, all greaters are not gold. It is like all gaps are not fair value gaps. But this is obviously a fair value gaps. But that doesn't mean it will be shooting up from here. You can see after the consolidation, it came down and came up. Okay. The reason why is that here we have an OB. So, market shooted from here to take out the OB, and what happened is that it came down to our levels. Okay, here we have a level like we all marked green broken lines. Okay, market didn't sustain over here. After taking out the OB, it was just consolidation. It was just sideways, completely sideways. Okay, we are not identifying this Asian low as a support or resistance or anything. I'm just marked it. If you want, you can delete or anything. I don't mind. Okay, our concept was we need a shift in structure for further moving downwards until here. Today just market closed here, but that doesn't mean it will be going up like this, even though it will be coming here, and then only a call sign will be there. Okay, let it be. So what I'm telling is that from here, I posted a chart in upfront also, like I'll show you that market may react like this. It will taken 49,265 high and came down Asian low and just an uptrend and then down. I'm not predicting anything. This is how the market works. Okay, so 24 49,265 49,265, yeah, this is the way high. We all marked this is the high. Market came down to the Asian low. It closed below. Okay, it closed below and then it moved on. So we can identify like this also. This was an FVG. Okay, it closed below the FVG, and what happens is that it became an inversion FVG. In the 5-minute, it became inversion FVG. Okay, exactly in 15 minutes also, the same candle closes below and forms an inversion FVG. Okay, so I was just waiting for short here. After closing the candle, this candle, we can take a trade like this. Even though I took this trade and I exited over here, this low I exited because market was almost about to close. So I just don't want to wait for the premium to increase or decrease. After closing the FVG, after closing the inversion FVG in 5 minutes and 15 minutes, we can just take a simple trade below the Asian low, keeping an SL over here. I don't want to keep it over here, just keep it here, because after this formation it will be a bull. If it is an SL, then let it be an SL, but there is more conviction to take out this sell side. Okay, this is what happens today, and I took this trade. Okay, I really took this trade. This trade only I took it from here. Then completely we were just waiting for a proper setup. Okay, this is a proper setup, but today the market is closed here. If it is a gap up, we can short it over here again. Okay, until this high is taken out. This is not a high, this was just a manipulation high. That's why it became sideways and dropped out. Okay, if tomorrow, because our market always the global market makes our market move much more. Okay, so if it is a gap up, we can short over here and keep an SL over here or here. Okay, after this high is taken, never think it will be coming like this, coming down. Maybe it will come down, but everything is depends upon the time of the price action. Okay, so for today we closed our trade over here. Okay, but we know the market won't react like this. I mean, it won't come down, it will go up like this. No, it won't go like that. Even though it goes up, then that's a manipulation or something will be happening. Okay, so what happens is that after we have a trade over here, let's just say we are not closing the trade, where will be our target? Here will be our target. Okay, so that's why I'm telling, if we are getting a gap up also, we can ride over here, or here we can just get it bit more discount price like here, because this all was an impulsive candles. We can take a trade over here, came back down to here. Okay, until this high is taken out. This was an OB candle high. This candle was taken out and form an impulsive movement like this, or like this. This is the retracement. After this an impulsive movement, we will be getting an FVG over here, something like that. Then only we can trade like this. Okay, never like someone used to tell, buy on dips and sell on high. No, don't do that. Just get a formation of the character and then do the trading. Okay, so this was the trade which I personally took, and I think I posted in the front page also, from here to here and from here to here, I guess. Okay, I don't want to ride the whole market, just analyze the market, just understand the structure, what is happening. And I just posted a upward from here also. I thought, okay, let's take a risky trade from here till here. I thought it will be showing some bullish sign, taking out this 49,386 high, but it didn't. It closed below, and I exited the call setup, and I suddenly taken the put setup. Okay, because that was a that was not a good trade also, because I posted like after taking on this low, it should, after taking this low, it should come like this and take. But even though I took a risky trade, because I thought I will be getting an imbalance like this, but it's okay anyway. Okay, so this is how the market works. So always draw the character structure, draw the high low, then trade. Never trade like, okay, market is in support, we can buy from the support. No, it's not the support, it's always the liquidity, how the market goes up and down. Okay, so I guess that's much. From here we will get a price action. I'm not telling it will be coming like this and it will be shooting like this. I don't know, let's just watch. Anyway, this is the target. The short and race target is here, so we'll analyze the market. Okay, thank you.